Hey everybody, I'm Henry and today I'm very excited to talk about this little guy. This is the ThiEYE T5e. I'll be referring to the camera just as the T5e because this is the model of the ThiEYE, so get used to that. This is an action camera that can shoot 4K at 30 FPS and can go as high as 240 FPS in 720p. So without further ado, let's jump right into my review for this guy. First up, unboxing the package. Very happy with delivery and the box it was assembled. Clean, organized and quality. These are the elements you will find as you unbox the T5e. As you see, the camera comes together with a waterproof housing, starting guide manual, adhesive mount, stickers, micro USB cable, a battery, a wiper and a quick release buckle. So definitely I love the box inside. Okay guys, now let's start first with its design. It looks stylish with a structured body and has 4 buttons. Beneath it has a screw mount, which I think is great and practical. Big thumbs for that. It uses micro USB to charge and it also utilizes it for data transfer on your computer. With the T5e you can transfer the media in 3 ways: via Wi-Fi to your Android or iOS, via micro USB to your computer, and through micro SD card when you plug that into your laptop. The micro USB cable was the best option to go for me. The Wi-Fi is also great to pair with the mobile application, which by the way allows you to change settings, view real-time media just as you're looking right now, share and save them up to your favorite album. Great stuff. Okay guys, now let's talk a little about its media. Now it produces really good and beautiful media. It ain't professional level, but you will definitely like it. It has plenty of options from 4K 30 FPS down to 720p with 240 FPS, just as I mentioned before. Now let's look at some slow motion footage I did. This one is 1080 with 120 FPS. It looks good, ain't? Now 720 in 240 FPS, it is scaled up to 1080, just so you know, just for the video, and I think it does a great job here. Light wasn't the best, it was raining outside and it was cloudy. Pictures can go up to 16 megapixel with 4:3 format, and you can get electronic image stabilization at 1080p with 60 FPS, which was my favorite shooting format. You don't get electronic image stabilization at 4K or 2K. None of them provides it opposed to 1080. So guys, you will get more stable footage using the 1080 at 60 or 30 FPS or 25 FPS. Now guys, talking about its cons, there isn't much talking about it, but the menu system, man. If you want to change video mode, you need to go back to the menu, shoot slow motion, again to the menu, time-lapse video, loop video, continuous shotting, everything you want to do, you need to go back to the menu. But the Wi-Fi on this camera is great because there is a button for the Wi-Fi right here. You only need to hold this button for like 1 to 2 seconds and it turns on, and vice versa. The T5e retails right now for $105. It doesn't break the bank. If you're interested to buy this little guy, I'll provide the link down in the description below where you can purchase it from the official retailer. And that's it guys, I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed my video then again give it a thumbs up, it always does help a lot. And if you're new to my channel, of course subscribe please, because in 2018 I have promised to put a lot of work on my videos. So again, thanks a lot for watching. I'm Henry, have a good day.